Hello my people, welcome to this channel. This is B Footies. Hope you've been good. Hope all is well with you. If you are just viewing for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share to your people as well. Today I'm taking you to the process of how you can build a slipper sole, a palm slipper sole, or a slide sole, whichever one you call it. Okay, we have our insole already. It's been prepared already. If you don't know how we did that, you can go back to our recent video to see how it was done or how it is done. Okay, so we place our insole on our Nora and we mark it out. And if you notice, we are adding a little, we added a little extension to the marked area. Why is it so? We mark the area because we are going to apply wet. We are going to put wet in the extended area, so that's why we need to add a little bit of space to the marked area so that we can apply wet on it. We can put our wet on it. So we cut out, we divide the Nora. After dividing out, we applied gum on both the Nora and the insole. As you can see, the area we applied gum to, we didn't apply gum to the whole of, we didn't apply it on the to the whole of the Nora. We only applied it at the edge around the Nora, so that we'll be able to apply our wet on it. So here we're fixing our wet. We are joining our wet alongside the Nora. We have a Telegram channel that you can join as well. Yeah, that lots of features are on the channel, so you can always join the channel and see what we do on the channel, because there are some videos, some pictures I'll be dropping on there, and I've been dropping on there that it's not, I won't be putting on this place on YouTube. So you can always, the link is below, the video, so you can click on it to join. And also, if you want to be part of the business, you want to be a reseller, or you want to learn, you can always reach out to us on all our social media platforms. Excuse me.
evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
After adding our weights, we trim, and the next thing is we are adding our heel. Not every slide requires heel, depending on the design. Depending on the design you are given. So this has a heel, so we are adding our heel to it. So as you can see, we use the same Nora for it, and we file. So after filing, we applied gum and we join it together. Before filing the whole sole itself, we applied the sole first. We applied the sole first and trim as well before filing. Yeah, as you can see, we joined the heel alongside with the sole already, and it's getting we are getting our results. Our result is coming up gradually. Okay, so the reason why we trim is because we want a fast and a smooth job. So that is why we trim, so that it will be easy, or let me say easier for us when making use of the filing machine. So here we have it. After trimming, we hammer it, we did the necessary things, and here we have it after filing, after making use of the filing machine. Here we have our results. So, and we polish. After that, even though that's not the end product yet, we polish, and we applied our slide on it, our insole, and here we have it. We polish again, and we have our job done. So that's that on how to build a slippers sole. You can see how good it looks. Be very careful when filing. So see you guys next time. Shalom.